Hi ladies, I hope you're all doing well. Today's tutorial is sponsored by Curlsqueen. They sent me 2 bundles of their 22-inch kinky straight weft hair extensions to try out with you. The hair also came with gifts, a brush and a bonnet, which we appreciate. This is 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair. I start off by sectioning my hair. We are doing a middle part quick weave. I did stretch out my hair just a bit. You don't have to. I suggest you work on clean hair and moisturize your scalp, especially if you are going to keep the style on for a prolonged period. I used a minimal amount of gel to lay my hair down, then I tied it and used my hooded dryer to dry it. You can use a normal hair dryer for this. Once dry, I untied the hair, braided it, tucked it in and wore a stocking cap. I'm using Got2b frizz spray to hold the cap down. Avoid placing this on your edges. You can use a holding spray of your choice. If you are in South Africa, the spray is available at Clicks and Discam. It's always cheaper at Discam. After that, I dried it using warm air. After that, I cut the stocking cap off. This is the first bundle. The hair is double wefted and double drawn, meaning the strands are the same length. The hair is true to length, it's 22 inches long. The wefts are thick and full from top to end. You measure how much hair you need. You cut the weft. I am using this bonding glue from a local no-name store. Apply the glue on the track. Get it tacky using low or high heat. It looks black once tacky. Place the track in position on your head and dry it in place. The process is repetitive. Measure, cut, apply glue. Get it tacky. Place it on head. And dry it in position. Try to place your tracks in a C-like shape so that the tracks don't show on the sides. I actually didn't place them like that in this tutorial, but it still turned out fine. The process can be messy, especially if you are doing this yourself. You might have to remove and readjust your tracks. I suggest using a black stocking cap. The shading was minimal. This is really good quality hair. You can use your thumb to help with equal spacing between the tracks. This is the second bundle. Depending on how you space the wefts, you can actually get away with 1 bundle. If you get glue on your scalp, spray oil sheen around that area and allow it to saturate the area for about 10 minutes and it will move off. To remove the cap, run your head under warm water or soak it in water if possible. I just stand under the shower head. Once the cap is saturated with water, it will be easy to peel off, or you can just saturate your hair with oil sheen. If there is still glue on your hair after removing the tracks, use leave-in conditioner and comb your hair. It will come out. If you are allergic to bonding glue or skeptical about using it, find an alternative or sew your tracks on. Really full and thick. You can keep it like this if you want a full look. I decided to straighten it. I was using the highest heat setting. The hair takes heat really well. I didn't want it bone straight. I wanted to keep the kinky texture without the volume. Really beautiful, and it has a natural shine to it, and it doesn't tangle up. This is heat protectant. I blow dried my hair and straightened it. I then used the L'Oreal Paris Temporary Root Concealer. This is hair tint. It comes in different colors. This is to help blend my hair with the extensions. It can be wiped off easily from your hands or your face. You just need shampoo to wash it out your hair. This style will last for 3 weeks. I used both bundles for this look. I would suggest buying 2 bundles and using 1.5 because the hair is just as full and thick after being straightened. The only reason I used both bundles is because I thought once I straightened the hair, it would be extremely thin, but that wasn't the case. And that's it. This is a super easy style for beginners, or if you are in a rush and don't have time to sew your tracks on. The hair quality is top tier. All hair details are in the description box below. The links will direct you to Curlsqueen's page. The price of the hair will vary depending on the hair length you want. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.